All right, guys, so today we're going to just do a little Stampede 4x4 repair. So this is grandson's truck. Basically, it's new at Christmas time 2020. Of course, we're just in January of 2021. He's running it hard. And all of a sudden, he's got some noise issues. So let's pull her apart and see what's going on. All right, so first thing I notice is that the motor is loose. So let's take a look at that. Now to get that, just to get exposure to the gears here, take off this piece right here. So this is just held on. This cover is held on by one screw right there in the middle. Now this is a tough piece sometimes to get off. What I've found is if you go over to this side, there is just a little spot. You can get a small screwdriver under and just give it a little pop. Well, there you go. Alright, so we can see this is loose. So I think the first thing we're going to do is we're just going to tighten it up. Now, if you have the tools that came with the toolkit, that's easy, but of course I got the car, I didn't get the tools, so I'm going to use some of my own tools as we go through. So if you turn around here, you can see that there's just the one little hex or Allen wrench screw here. That's what's holding the motor on, and that's you can kind of, I don't know if you can see it in the video, but that's what's loose. So we're going to try to tighten that up. Come around this way. And we're just going to make it nice and snug, so hopefully this won't happen again. I mean, if this happened again, I think we'd have to probably put some Loctite on it. Alright, so that's feeling like we're snug. And again, I just want to make sure it's in there good and tight. This car is going to get run. All right, that's good. And look what it did. That was an easy repair. The noise is gone, so that's what we're going to keep our eye on, is just making sure that that happens again. He'll have to just double check that Allen wrench right down in there and tighten this motor back up. But maybe every time he starts it, he should just check the motor and then catch it before the gears actually get stripped out. All right, that's all there is to it, guys. So see ya.